In a medical malpractice case, immediately before I go ahead and question the doctor during his pretrial question and answer session, is it ever appropriate for me to ask the defense lawyer what his theory of defense is? Is that ever appropriate? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you the answer to this question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer is yes, it is appropriate. Now, before we actually begin the question and answer session, depending upon my relationship with the defense attorney, I may call the defense lawyer over and ask if I could speak to him for a moment. We may have a very honest, forthright discussion. Say, listen, John, I don't understand. What is your defense in this case? And now, in all likelihood, he's going to tell me what the doctor's defense is. He's going to say the doctor didn't do anything wrong. Your client did the following things. My client didn't cause any of her injuries. Now he's going to tell me exactly. Now, why is that ever appropriate? You might think, oh, that's collusion. No, it's not collusion. The attorney knows what our claims are. He knows what we allege the doctor did or didn't do. He knows what injuries my client is claiming as a result of this doctor's carelessness. Now, when they serve an answer to the allegations, they don't really tell us in detail exactly what the defenses are. They give us general overviews of what the defenses are, but they're very broad and very vague. But now I have an opportunity when I see the defense lawyer in person, right before I have a chance to question his doctor. Hey, John, tell me what it is that your defense is in this case. I don't understand. I can't make it out from your answer. And now, in all likelihood, he'll tell me, listen, this is what we think. This is what our experts think. Now, why would he ever do that? He does that because this way we have an ongoing discussion. There are some attorneys who turn around and say, no, I'm not going to get into details right now. You can ask the doctor any questions you want, and the doctor will tell you. And that will give you the answers you're looking for. I find that the best attorneys are the ones who actually have that dialogue with me. So now they tell me exactly what their position is. It doesn't mean they're changing their position. They're not modifying their position. They're simply stating it. It's obvious. But now we have that discussion, and it will help me in questioning the doctor, narrowing down the issues where they believe we are wrong and they are right. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.